everyone, today we're going to be talking about using automatic notifications in Studio Suite to save time when you're creating projects or scheduling people or creating tasks for one of your team members. First of all, I want to highlight that we have our tasks module over here. So if we open it up, we can see all the tasks that have been assigned to our team members and their statuses, along with some other useful information. In addition to that, we also have a scheduling module available, which is right here. And this is what you could use, one of the ways that you can create a schedule for somebody. So let me make sure that that one is on. Employee schedules, perfect. And here it is. We can look for any individual person. So we can look at their schedules. We can see what they've been scheduled. And the actuals, so maybe they were scheduled to work from 8 to 5, but if they went over, then we would see that difference over here. And we can also take a look at both the scheduled, actual, and both the difference. But today, mainly I wanted to talk about when you're building a project, how it saves time to have automatic notifications enabled. Let's just open any of our projects. Let's open this Audio Post project. We have a lot of team members over here. And if we decided to add some more team members, let's just grab somebody from our production crew. So we have Jeannie, Scott, and Mariana. And if automatic notifications is turned on for them, then they would get an automatic notification, just an email, letting them know that they've been assigned to a project, who's the client, and what are their start and end times, and the date of the project, of course. And we can enable those really quick in resources and services. So let's look for Mariana. Here she is. And we have some resource preferences over here. But the important one that we're discussing today is this one, send email notifications. So if this is turned on, anytime that I book Mariana on a job or that I assign her a task, she's going to get an automatic email letting her know about it. In addition to that, there's another really cool feature that we can use if we want to send a notification to somebody. So we have Mariana right here. Let's select her. And we can either email her about this project and the date and start times and end. And we can also send a drip sequence. So maybe we want to send a notification 1 week before the job. So we can specify it right here. Actually, for 1 week, we would say 7 days. Maybe we want to send another reminder 3 days before the event. And we'll send one last reminder 1 day before the event. Or it could be a set of hours. So let's say maybe 12 hours before. We can send it as a text message or as email, and we can actually choose different people from our list. So if we click OK, then they're going to get a reminder with this frequency. We can also add some notes over here if we want to add some specific notes. So that's one way to use automatic notifications, and the same thing will happen when we create a task for somebody. So we can actually do that from the calendar, and I'll show you in just a second. So let's go to the timeline view, and then from here, we're going to turn on employee schedules. Perfect, it's on. And the employee schedules are the ones that show up over here in tan. So if I want to add John or assign him a task, I can do that from right here. Create a task. I can enter in some notes, choose the dates, other specifics right here. And once I click on save, then John is going to get an automatic notification letting him know that he's been assigned to that particular task. And like I mentioned earlier, we can also create new tasks from the tasks module. So we just click on new, fill in the details, and then they would get an automatic notification. So those are some examples of how you can save time on your projects, especially if you have a lot of team members that you book and assign it on to a project. And it's going to save you the time so that you don't have to email each and every one of them, letting them know about their jobs or any specific tasks that they have to do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write us a note.